Today we'll be discussing how to make a handcrafted Gothic fantasy door inspired by medieval castles, cathedral arches, and classic high fantasy architecture. Before a single board is cut, the design comes first. Tall arches, iron-like hardware, carved motifs, everything that makes a Gothic door unmistakable. Start with sketches, pointed arches, heavy vertical panels, and decorative elements that look like they came straight out of a storybook fortress. For a door that demands presence, choose thick, solid boards. Dark hardwoods like poplar or oak take stain beautifully and give the door that old-world weight and texture. Each board should be hand-picked for grain pattern and durability. The hallmark of Gothic design is the pointed arch. Using a template, trace the shape across the top of the door and cut it slowly with a jigsaw. The arch instantly transforms the project. What was once a rectangle now feels like a grand cathedral entrance. The door should be assembled as a sturdy frame and panel structure. Vertical stiles, horizontal rails, and a heavy center spine will give it strength. Gothic architecture favored verticality, and your door should follow that tradition. To evoke medieval joinery, add narrow vertical planks across the front. They should be secured tightly and spaced evenly, creating the iconic castle door appearance. Each plank should be shaped so shadows fall dramatically across the surface. For added authenticity, carve simple Gothic details into the wood, quatrefoils, arcs, or stylized floral shapes. These carvings won't just decorate the door, they'll tell a visual story rooted in medieval symbolism. No Gothic door is complete without imposing hardware. Using wood, resin, or metal, create oversized hinges, clavos, decorative studs, and a dramatic handle. Each piece should be textured and painted to look like hand-forged iron. To give the door an ancient, battle-worn appearance, distress the wood. Use light hammer taps, wire brushes, and edge rounding, small touches that simulate centuries of use. Then comes the finish, a deep, rich stain in black walnut or ebony, followed by a matte protective coat. The wood will darken and deepen, becoming something that could easily belong in a Gothic keep or wizard's tower. Once finished, the door will be hung on heavy-duty hinges. When it swings open for the first time, it feels weighty, solid, like a portal to another era. Whether used in a home, studio, or themed room, this door will transform the space instantly. From raw lumber to a fully realized piece of fantasy architecture, the Gothic door will stand as a testament to imagination and craftsmanship. A build doesn't just frame a doorway, but creates a world. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.